came back out because there was a bee. No, there isn't a bee. And there he's gone. There's a big bumblebee. I could see it from the house. It's just, well, I mean, someone's doing something noisy, but the birds. The sun comes out and they're all... Oh, what was that? Oh, it was the blackbird just went over the roof. I love it when they come zooming out of here. They come zooming along my tunnel. Robin chattering. Can't see him, of course. I saw the blue tits earlier. They're so shy. I can't ever get them in the shop. Robin, where are you? He's in the lilac here somewhere. Oh well, no bee. I don't know where it would have gone. There's so many flowers on this Sarah at the moment. So many. So much chatter in here. Somebody's got some sort of motor tool, haven't they? Let's have a quick look in the pond. Because there's a lot of leaves that need to come out. I don't think it's very good for them to have these ivy leaves in the pond. Oh look, and that is an ivy leaf. I'm going to get you off, chap. Go on, go and eat something else. Make sure there's nothing on the back of that. Don't know what that is. I don't know if that's eggs or... I think it's probably poo. I think it's probably snail poo, but just in case, I'll leave that one in. There's a big snaily floating around down bottom left. There's a big one there as well. So when it gets cold, they sort of disappear down to the bottom, I think. But I'd imagine they're all okay in here. Let's get ivy leaves out. There's rather a lot of leafage in here at the moment. I've been a bit neglectful of it. The trouble is, once it sinks to the bottom, it just decomposes, and then you've just got sort of silt at the bottom. Sludge, really, isn't it? It's sludge at the bottom. Not too bad. Not too bad. We'll leave you to it, my friend. Right, no bee. I don't know where he went because, crikey, there's plenty there. There's right the way up there. There's so many flowers for a bee to eat. Who's that? Sparrow. There's so much chatter. I just love it. Sparrows and starlings. And it's all across the garden. The sparrows are really vocal today. Who's that over there? Is that blackbird? No, it's a starling just come down for a drink. Don't think you can see. Oh, I can't even see where the water thing is. He's gone now. He was on the drinking, on the bird bath. Anybody on there? No? No. Right, put my washing out, so I'm going to go out. Bye for now.